All right, so we're rounding up to our last minute here. As you can see up here in our fill now, our ice cream's starting to have shape. We'll kind of push under there, push towards the fill hole here. It looks really good. Let's see if it stacks as it comes out. We'll see if she's ready. Timer just went off. That looks good to me. We're gonna shut our refrigeration, grab our topping. Okay. We're just gonna move it around. You don't wanna push any of the air out. You don't wanna like jab at it. You just move it. Some honey in there. Actually, we can put it in as it falls. Be productive. You could speed this up if you want. I'm comfortable with the speed. Alright. If you want to get a little neater, so I'm going to smooth that out. Get a fresh layer of honey on there. Push some of this in. Now put our dasher back on. We'll come up here. You know, get it aimed there towards the hole. We don't want to waste any product. Alright, let's open us back up. So, turn up our RPMs. Need some more in there. Wow, look how smooth that is. Rest out of here. Shut that off. Grab the rest. Uh-oh, we made a little mess. All right, bring it over to our table. And we're gonna smooth the top. Got some of that honey in there. And then the last touch. There you go. That's extreme flavor. Pistachio, lavender, honey. We'll take this team and see what they think. We'll see you next time.